everyone, Kayla here. I am coming from inside of my shower. I have never filmed a video talking inside of this shower, but we are in here because I am late. I am behind the times and I'm going to be trying out the Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Conditioner. I don't even know what Mongongo oil is, but we're about to find out. I saw a lot of people raving about this conditioner, talking about how much they loved it. It said it was protein free on the front, so I decided to look at the ingredients, which to my eyes and my knowledge, I do not see any animal derived ingredients because I am a vegan and this company is also cruelty free. So I gotta get on the Mielle train. I want to try a Mielle product too. So stay tuned to see how this conditioner detangles and how it leaves the hair upon being rinsed out. Alright, so my hair is clean and we are ready to apply the Mongongo oil deep conditioner. First off, I'm gonna say that this smells like your mama's favorite department store's perfume counter. I don't necessarily enjoy this scent. It's too perfumey for me, but it's very thin, liquidy. And I like to get my ends first because there's less hair at the ends. I think that just happens with wear and tear, age of the hair. It's going in real smooth. Try to do this situation so I don't lose product to the floor. But you could just put less product. And yeah, I could. Okay, it's getting up in there. It's getting up in there. Yes. It's real smooth. Alright, so now I'm going to start doing the sections for detangling that I do. I typically add a little bit more product this time, just focusing on the roots, because you may note that when I was just putting in conditioner just now, I didn't really put any product on the root. Yes. Okay, this is just, I love the way this is going in. Alright, so I am ready to detangle my hair, and I usually break my hair down into sections, but I'm telling you, before I even break it down, like, my fingers are gliding through just like this. Also note though that I did just come from a wash and go in which, you know, my hair was hanging down most of the week, except for that ponytail that you just saw at the beginning of the video. So my hair tends to be less tangly when I'm coming from a wash and go. Like when I do other hairstyles, I get a little bit more of a tangle situation. But anyway, I'm gonna break this down into the first smaller section. I forgot my clips, so yes, your girl's doing her hair without not nana clip. Yeah, oh my God, sis, this is some detangling hair. Yes. It's just gliding through. Honestly, my hair been detangled. I just keep going through because I'm addicted to the way it feels. Okay, let me stop. Grab the shed hair out because it's been a week. So it's a week's worth of shed hair because I don't touch my hair through the week. So shed hairs. Okay, so we're gonna come in with a wet brush. This is the Texture Pro brush. I have a video on this. I had to get rid of my other brush because the bristles were acting crazy. And I think that's from constant use for like, I don't know, what was it, 2 years I was using that hairbrush? Every time I washed my hair, I was putting that brush through it and it said, no ma'am, I'm done with you. But I was like, cool, because I got another wet brush. Okay? I'm about to turn this the traditional way because I don't, look at this, y'all. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes! What y'all know about that? What you know about that? So, my hair is fully detangled. That probably took me minutes. I don't have a timer. That would have been smart for this video to time it. But I'm telling you, it took no time, y'all. So now that we know this bad boy can detangle, I'm going to put on my plastic cap and everything. And I'm going to put on a heating cap. I'm going to deep condition for 20 minutes, which is what I would normally do. And then we're going to see does this product leave my hair feeling moisturized upon rinsing out? Because that's the second mark of a good deep conditioner for me, in my opinion. So I am back. My hair has been deep conditioned. I'm gonna take this twist down. Check it out. Yes. So far my hair is very still wet feeling from how that conditioner went on. So I hope that the lighting is allowing me to show you. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna rinse it and see how it rinses. All right, so it's rinsing pretty awesomely. It still is soft. The product is off. It didn't leave any product residue, because sometimes things do leave residue in my hair. There's no residue. You can tell by my hair puffing back up, like, and not puffing up in a dry way, but like puffing up because it's not weighted down with a liquidy product. But you can tell that my hair is still moisturized. That's what I was trying to say. So yeah, all right. So I'm back with my final thoughts of the Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Deep Conditioner. Overall, I'm just gonna put this out here, and I think you probably already know, I love it. I absolutely love this product. The pros is that it does not contain any animal ingredients, it's cruelty-free, it detangles like a dream, it leaves my hair very nice upon rinsing, it feels moisturized, not coated in any way. The con would be a big one for some people, but because the pros are so awesome, it overshadows that. But the con is that the scent. I do not like the scent. It is very perfume counter smelling, and I would prefer, if you're going that perfume route, maybe more of a lotion type smell would be bearable to me, even though I don't particularly even like the lotion scent on a lot of hair products. I more so like things that are either over to the fruity side or over to the warm baked good side. That would be more preferable to me, but because the conditioner works so well, the scent kind of takes a back seat to that. Another thing I would mention, it's not necessarily a pro or a con, but just a mentionable, is that this product is kind of expensive. I believe it is $14 to $15. I cannot remember because I bought the first one a really, really long time ago, and I got the second two of them. I just said that weird, but hey, whatever. I got those on sale. Sally Beauty sells the Mielle products. My Sally Beauty does not sell this particular line in there. So I bought this online. It was 50% off because they had a deep conditioner sale. So I bought two for the price of one, and then I got free shipping. So the price may not matter because you can get it on sale, is what I'm really trying to say. Overall, I have several jars of this because I got it on sale. I'm gonna keep using it. I probably will be a repurchase in the future. I'm serious about the future aspect of that because I do have a lot of deep conditioner in my collection right now, and I'm someone who likes to finish everything that I have before I move on to other products. So I'm excited to have another hit added to my list for the year of 2019. Please, in the comments, let me know if you have tried this conditioner before, all right? Please like this video if you like it, share it with your natural friends, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.